Namaste everyone. Welcome to today's daily 20-minute yoga session by Yogve. Let's start with centralizing the breath. So, sit tall, spine straight, hands resting on the knees. Soft your face. Close your eyes. Have a gentle smile on your face. Observe your 3 deep inhale and even longer exhale. Bring your both the hands in Gyan Mudra. Let's chant one Om to begin the session. Inhale. Join your both the hands in Pranam Mudra in front of your chest. Bow your head down. Let's set an intention for today's yoga class. Promise yourself to be on the mat during the session. Very gently rub your palms. Apply the heat generated on your eyes and open the eyes looking towards the floor in front of you. Welcome to the class. Let's start with some standing warm up today. Okay, so come to your standing position. Starting with Tadasana. So let me start from here. This is the starting position. Both the feet are parallel to each other. Little bit gap between both the feet just to maintain the balance. Inhale, heels up, arms up. Come on your toes, okay? That's called Tadasana. Inhale, exhale. Do it with me 10 times. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can take support of a wall if it is too much for you. 6, 7, last 3, last 2. Okay, now I want you to shake your legs little bit and relax. We are going up and hold there for 10 count, okay? Or we can fit 10 seconds, okay? Inhale, heels up, arms up. Fix your gaze at a place in front of you and hold here, okay? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale and release. Very nice, very good. Just adjust your legs, shake them. Okay, now I want you to just walk on your mat 5 times. Okay, I mean to say 5 rounds. Just relax your feet if this is too much for you. Okay, come to the center. And now next will be holding in tree pose. Tree pose is a beautiful asana for mental calmness. Okay, known for that actually. So, how to do that? Let me explain the technique first so that you can hold better. Right foot in front of you, spread the toes. Okay, spread the toes properly and make a nice grip on the mat. Shift your weight on the right foot. Take your left foot, place it inside the right thigh. Stay near a wall if you need a support. Okay, now inhale, both hands up. Same trick behind maintaining the balance. Fix your gaze at a point in front of you. We are going to hold here for next 30 seconds. Time starts now. If you wobble or you go out of the pose, it is totally fine. Come again back to your balance. That's life. Falling is not a problem, but coming back to your original position is important. Okay, exhale and release. Okay, shake your legs and on the other side. This time, left foot forward, spread your toes, make a nice grip, shift your weight on the left foot, place your right foot inside the left thigh, and inhale, hands up. Hold. Exhale and release. Sometimes we have balance in one leg but not in other. It is totally fine. Yoga just harmonize everything. Okay, so shake your legs, walk a little bit on your mat, and we will move further. Okay, now we are moving forward into the yoga session. Come to the front side of the mat with toes together, heels apart. Okay, toes will be together and there will be a little bit gap between the heels. It looks like this from the back. Okay, this is the starting position. So inhale, both arms up, look up. Exhale, go down, 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 pull forward, fold. Inhale, halfway lift, look front, spine straight. Exhale, press the palms, you can bend the knees to reach the mat and step back. Okay, this is the position and now lie down on your belly. Point your toes and now from here both the hands on the side of your chest, elbows near the body, forehead on the mat. We will move for cobra 6 times, but every time hold for 1 to 2 breaths. Okay, inhale, move up, exhale, come down. Inhale, exhale. 2, 3. So 5. One last, but this time we will hold 10 seconds once we are up. So be ready. Inhale, hold. Exhale and release. Okay, both the arms on the side of your hips, palms facing upward. This is the starting position, and we will move for leg raises, modified version of Shalabhasana. Okay, so starting with right leg. Inhale, right leg up, down, left. Okay, we will move 6 times. Starting now, right leg. Keep your knee straight and toe pointed. Exhale down. 1, 2, 3, 4, move slow. 4, 5, 6. Very good. Now from here, extend your arms in front of you, and now from here we will move right leg and left arm on the same time. Okay, inhale, right leg, left arm, down, left leg, right arm. This is one. We will move 6 times. Inhale, right leg, left arm up, exhale down, right side, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Take your hand on the side of your chest, raise your torso up and stay in phoenix pose, baby cobra. Okay, stay here for a while and we will move for Shalabhasana now. Stay here, 3 breaths, close your eyes, relax your breath. Okay. Now again come back to lying posture. Extend your arms in front of you and we will raise both the arms and both the legs at the same time. Okay. Spider-Man pose. Inhale. Raise your legs and arms and hold here. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale and release. Very nice. Press your palms in the side of your chest and come to Vajrasana. Our next move will be downward dog to upward dog move. Okay, we will move 10 times. I want you to first look at me, I'll explain and then we will move together. And this will be the last movement for today's session. Okay, so coming to down dog. Like this is down dog. I want you to raise the heels, shift your weight towards the hands. Once you reach here, drop your hips down and look up. Now this is up dog. Tuck the chin, Round the spine, start from upper back and meet me back in down dog. If you can follow a wave by closing the eyes, that would be lovely. Okay, we will move only 6 times, okay? But give your best. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, down dog. 1. Inhale. Exhale. You can breathe in between, like on inhale, we are moving to up dog. If we are out of breath here, we can exhale and inhale here. And again on exhale, tuck the chin, round the spine and come back to down dog. 3. Four. Keep moving. 5. And 6. Come back to down dog. And from down dog, I want you to come to Malasana by placing right foot outside the right hand and left foot outside the left hand. Raise your heel and come at the front of the mat. Come here in Malasana. Stay here. Okay, now drop your hips on the mat and let's come to lying posture, moving towards restorative poses. Lie down. Adjust yourself. Bend your knees. Feet will be hip width apart and distance of the heel from your upper body is your longest finger must be touching your heel. Okay, this is the distance. Adjust yourself and we will move for Setu Bandhasana bridge pose. Inhale, raise your hips up, push your hips out, exhale, come down. 1. Inhale, exhale. 2. 3. 4. 5. And now 6th and hold 10 seconds. Move up, push your hips out, out and out. Your chin is touching your chest and stay here. Exhale and release slowly. Very nice. Next will be figure 4 stretch. Right ankle on left knee, holding the left shin. Those who don't know how to hold the figure 4, so this is the position. When you place your right ankle on left knee, thread your right hand between the legs and left hand outside the left hand. Hold here, breathe here. Release. Left ankle on right knee, threading the left hand between the legs and right hand outside the right leg. Hold here. Stay in the stretch. Breathe in the stretch. release. Next will be Markatasana. So both the feet mat width apart. Interlock your fingers under the head and drop your knees to the left and look towards your right. Stay here. Inhale to center, exhale to other side. Knees to the right, gaze to the left. Exhale and release to the center. Last posture will be happy baby pose. So take your both the feet up, hold outer arc of the feet and swing side to side. A gentle smile on your face. Come to the center and let's make our way to Shavasana. Outstretch your legs, hands resting on the side of your hips. Release your whole weight on the mat. Just surrender everything, your weight, your thoughts. And relax here for next 1 minute. Very gently bring your awareness back. Move your toes. Wiggle your fingers very slowly. Turn your head to the right, then to the left. Bring your feet together. Interlock your fingers and stretch overhead in Supta Tadasana. Bend your knees, taking palms under the head, turn to any preferable side. Stay here for a while. Now taking foot off the mat, come to sitting posture. If possible, don't open your eyes, keep your eyes closed. Just to stay with the connect. Now from here, left hand in Gyan Mudra, right hand in Vishnu Mudra. We will move for Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breathing for next 2 minutes. Be with your breath. Your breath should be without any sound, deep and slow. Start by exhaling through left nostril and end your cycle by exhaling through left nostril. Release by exhaling through left nostril and bring your both the hands in Gyan Mudra, taking your time. Stay here. Tilt your head little upward, and we are going to stay here for next 1 minute in silent meditation. Be with your breath. Let's end the session by chanting one Om. Inhale. Join your hand in front of your chest, bow your head down. Be thankful to yourself for showing up on the mat today. For fulfillment of intentions set at the beginning of the workout. Very gently rub your palms. Apply the heat generated on your eyes and open the eyes looking towards the floor in front of you very slowly. Namaste everyone. See you tomorrow.